How to reset iPhone to factory settings without losing data. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great. So if you want to quickly go ahead and reset your iPhone to factory settings without losing data, here's what you're going to want to do. You're going to go to your settings and you're going to make sure that your iCloud backup is on, okay? Once you made sure your iCloud's backup, you're going to turn on iCloud Drive and you're going to go to iCloud Backup and you're going to turn it on. And you're going to make sure to back up all of your data. Now, once you do this, what you're going to do is you're going to search up reset up here. Okay, and we're going to come here and you're going to click on erase all content and settings, and it's going to bring you to the erasure where it's going to say the following items will be removed. So this much space, this is your Apple ID, and this is all. So you're going to click on continue, and then it's going to back it up one more time, and everything will be backed up to your iCloud, whilst your phone's data will be deleted. So what happens is all your data from your iPhone will go to your cloud, and once everything is removed, your phone will be like it's totally new, but your data will be in your cloud. So that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Goodbye.